Hey Kat, this is Steve. I just thought I'd record a quick video for you. There's the Lincoln, there's the Infiniti, give you the around tour. Sometimes you see a little bit more in a video that you don't see in the pictures. And of course all the extra space in the back, the tri-zone climate control, heated seats. Power windows, mirrors, all the controls, safety. Dash, steering controls, and then of course the dash, the radio, gear shift, traditional gear shift, and of course your power, your heated and cooled seats, different sport modes, navigation, climate control, audio, Bluetooth audio. And I know it wasn't much of a sales pitch, but of course you've got that great moonroof. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow afternoon. Have a great night. Bye.